Are you a shy person? Or even if you're not, but you're very bored of the usual words like hi or hello to greet someone? And nowadays, it also sometimes becomes awkward to use the same word more than 1,000 times. Then, here's the solution. Today, we are going to discover a very interesting topic. That is, we will discover new conversation starters instead of hi or hello. You can use all of these words while talking to a person in real life or even if it's a chat. In the last part of this video, we will learn a tip to help you more regarding this. So let's get started. Whenever we talk to someone, we mostly start the conversation with hi or hello. But don't you think this has become a very old method and people often get bored of hearing it? If you just say a hi or hello, it's not enough. We need some new words to greet someone. But what are those? Let's see. The first one is hey. You can use this word for talking informally with a person like a friend or family. It means you're greeting a person with a lot of happiness in yourself. For example, you're traveling and you meet your friend suddenly. You can say, hey, how are you? The second word is howdy. If you find it an unfamiliar English word, then you're not wrong. It was an English word that people used in the 19th century, but then they stopped using it. Recently, people have started using this word again. Howdy is an informal greeting that you can use to greet your friends or family. For example, you meet someone suddenly walking on the road, you can say, howdy, how are you? The third word that we have got is greetings. Well, it's a very happy and positive vibes giving word. You can use this if you want to greet someone very happily and give them a warm feeling and positive vibe. For example, you're sitting on your couch and someone enters from the door. For example, a relative enters. You can say, greetings, please have a seat. And you can use it in many more sentences to express your feelings. The fourth word that we have got is bonjour. Yes, I know that you're finding it strange, then you're absolutely correct. You're finding it strange because it's not an English word. Actually, it's a French word, but it's popular all around the world and is being often used to greet someone. For example, you have to meet someone in a restaurant and the person finally comes. You can say, bonjour, please come. The last but not the least, that is the fifth word that we have got, is cheers. It is a very informal and happy sounding word which of course stands for hello but with a lot of fun and excitement. For example, your friends were in a coffee shop and you too were invited. At the time you reach there and meet your friends, you can say cheers. That shows that you have a lot of excitement and you want to do a lot of fun. The word cheer will also make your friends cheer up their mood and they will be more happy and excited. It's time for the tip I was talking about. The tip that is be confident, happy, and positive while using these words so that the person in front of you should feel the warmth of your greet. If you're sad or bored and if you greet the person with a very low and sad sounding voice, then it's of no use. As greetings mean to make someone feel happy and better, so be confident, happy, and positive while greeting someone. So guys, these were some conversation starters instead of usual words like hi or hello. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. We will meet with a nice video soon. Till that, bye.